Tired of sifting through piles of paper to find your NatWest bank statement? Today, I'm going to show you how to easily access and download your NatWest bank statements directly from your mobile app. Let's get started. First, open the NatWest mobile app on your smartphone or tablet and log in using your usual security method, like your passcode, fingerprint, or facial recognition. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your account overview. From here, locate the account you want the statement for. Tap on the account where you need to find your statements. Now, on the account details screen, look for 3 dots or a More or Manage option, usually located in the top right corner or sometimes at the bottom of the screen. Tap on that. A menu will appear. Scroll through the list until you find an option labeled Statements or something similar like View Statements. Tap on it. You should now see a list of your available bank statements, usually organized by month and year. Select the statement you wish to view or download by tapping on it. The statement will open, allowing you to view all the transactions from that period. To download the statement, look for a download icon, which usually looks like a downward pointing arrow or a share icon. Tap on that icon. You'll then be prompted to choose a file format, usually PDF. Select your preferred format and confirm the download. Your statement will now be saved to your device, ready for you to review, print, or share as needed. It's usually found in your Downloads folder or wherever your device saves downloaded files. And that's it. You've successfully found and downloaded your NatWest bank statement using the mobile app. It's quick, easy, and saves you from paper clutter. Remember to keep your statements secure. Thanks for watching.